This is a 3 by 3 equation that we're going to solve by addition and subtraction methods. We're going to name each equation by R1, R2, and R3. We have to choose a pair of equations, and in this case, we're going to choose R1 to solve by the addition and subtraction method. We have to choose a common multiple from the two equations, and we're going to choose 3 and 1, and we're going to invert the digits. And we're going to multiply them. And once we multiply them, we're going to add them. And you can tell that you can eliminate this because minus 3 plus 3 equals 0. This equation will become R4, which we will use later.
So now we're going to grab R2 and R3, which are these ones. So we're going to write them. So now that we have the two equations, we are going to do the same as this side. We're going to eliminate C. So what are we going to do? What we're going to do, we're going to invert the digits the same way we did in this equation and multiply them. So now we're going to eliminate C, as we can see. So now that we have a positive number and a negative number, we can eliminate them. So now we have to join the other numbers, making this possible. This will be our equation R5. Same as the other equation, we're going to use this later.
In order to continue with the progress, we must put these two equations together. That is R4 and R5. And we must do the same process as we did with the other ones so that we can continue to do this. So right here, as we inverted the coefficients, we put the negative sign on 21 so that we could eliminate these two. So R6 is gonna end up looking like this. So as you can see now, what we've done is we multiplied the factors by the other factors, and now the only thing that is left to do is to eliminate the possible coefficients, like minus 357 and 357 equals 0. So now we're gonna stay with these two, and this is gonna equal B. What we're gonna do is we're gonna send this one up here, and it's minus 174 over minus 58. And B is gonna be equal to 3. And because both factors are negative, this is gonna end up being positive. Now that we know that B is equal to 3, we're gonna put this and we're gonna substitute it into R4. If we've substituted B into the factor of 3, we're gonna put 17A minus 33 equals minus 50. A is gonna be equal to minus 1 because there is a negative factor and a positive factor being divided. So now we know that A is equal to minus 1.
Okay, so now we're going to substitute A and B in the equation, whatever equation you want. In this case, we're going to use R1. So we're going to change the factors. So instead of putting the letter, we're just going to put the number we got. So A was equal to 2 minus 1, and B was 3. So we're just going to put the rest of the equation and substitute it and multiply it. We're just going to put this, and we're going to send the numbers to the other side. Okay, so now we solved the equation and we got C equals to minus 2.
So the answers would be A is minus 1, B is 3, and C minus 2. Now to make sure that the answers are correct, we have to replace the factors A, B, and C with the answers. Now we only have to make sure that the answer is 7 by multiplying them. And then finish by adding them. And to the answer to be correct, we have to have the same number in both sides. And 7 equals 7, so this equation is correct.